dancing with Imam city glasses, and I won a big carton of Horlicks milk. Now I drink Horlicks every day, so I remain tall, big, and smart. Now with Horlicks, I drink it in my shaker, have fun, drink milk every day. I guess that's my secret of becoming big. Look, I'm strong now. So friends, you wanna stay cool, you better drink Horlicks.